In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix your touchscreen not working properly whenever you put a screen protector on your phone. Have you ever noticed that whenever you put a screen guard, your screen touch will always be disturbing? Your screen will some reach to an extent of press itself. To fix this issue out, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, you will then tap on this option of display. Then scroll down to the very end onto the option of touch sensitivity. Make sure to enable this option. When turned on, an increase in your touch sensor will be added, and this will always help you whenever you put a screen guard. Your phone sensor will always be more active. That's how easy it is to fix the issue of your phone not working properly whenever you add a screen guard. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.